be honest, listen, and genuinely care. People buy from people that they like and that they trust. And they're really expecting us to be like every other salesperson knocking on their door. I often tell my customers that if I don't know that there's a problem, I can't fix it. There's a few times in my career where I can recall starting with a smaller company. Maybe it's an owner and a few employees, and they're in a tinier warehouse, and maybe they buy a small tabletop vending machine. But then boom, within a few years, they've really exploded. Now they have tons of employees. You walk in the building and there's banders everywhere, maybe even some automation. And that's just one thing I really love about what I do.